Hi, my name is Joey Gossett, and I am here to give you an overview of my project for EDTE660 Fall 2015. The name of my project is Preparing for Students and Computers, the DHS One-to-One Blended Learning Initiative. I am an administrator at Delta High School in Muncie, Indiana. For this project, the teachers are the learners, and our lead teachers are the trainers. Our school is moving one-to-one, hopefully with Chromebooks, utilizing Google and Canvas. As an overview of this project, we are looking at the learners as the teachers. The learners are the teachers at Delta High School right now. The trainers are the lead teachers. They are ones who are currently part of a pilot or Chromebook pilot program that we began in the fall of this year, and that is going very well. I have chosen Assure as my instructional design model. I like Assure because I was able to analyze my learners. I know that all of our teachers currently have iPads, Apple TV, advanced projection capabilities, and other things in their classrooms. We just don't have devices in our students' hands. By training teachers to use Canvas and Google and showing them how to implement that technology once the students have Chromebooks in their hands, I think that it will be a very good decision for us as far as training is concerned. State standards and objectives. I'm looking at the fact that for objectives in Assure, students need to have critical thinking, creative thinking, communication, collaboration skills. Those are some 21st century learning skills, as well as literacy, whether it's information technology or media literacy. And then they need social skills, leadership, initiative, flexibility. All of those aspects are important once they hit the real world. So the objectives for this are basically, once these teachers are trained, they will be able to help students and evaluate and assess their student retention on a daily basis. In this project, teachers are going to collaborate throughout the training and learn from and with each other. I have created a Canvas page in which there are modules, and each teacher must master the first module to move on to the second, and so on. The modules deal with instructional shift as far as the technology. A second module deals with digital citizenship, and the third one is one-to-one classroom management. I'd like to see the teachers work and learn simultaneously. They're going to be trained for the most part in our media center's computer lab. That computer lab has anywhere from 45 to 50 working desktops. I want the teachers to read Ditch That Textbook by Matt Miller. I think that encourages some excitement among teachers to understand that you don't have to have a textbook. They'll also view selected websites and videos, and I'm using the ISTE standards for teachers and students as well. Anticipated learning outcomes, I just want them to work together. I know that they are all going to be at a different starting point. Our corporation has hired 5-Star as an outside entity to come in and do surveys. So from that first survey, as far as where teachers are in their ability, they will, the lead teachers or the trainers will kind of pick up from there, and then teachers will help each other. They're going to have opportunity to blog through Canvas. They're going to get to see what students will be able to do when they're sitting at a computer working through a learning management system or using some of the apps that Google might have. And then I feel like the instructor will be able to get immediate feedback from the learners, whether it's the trainer and the teachers or the teachers and the students. Project evaluation, I'm going to use Shufflebeam's SIP model to evaluate the program. It'll allow me to evaluate and return to teachers more training if necessary. And then we'll have a formative evaluation plan. I think that the tech coordinator at our central office will probably use what 5-Star has if we do another survey. And then we'll review and compile results from the online survey that the teachers are going to take as a part of that Canvas module system to see how they feel about what we're doing with their training. As far as I conclude this, training is just a work in progress. I'm hoping that teachers will be encouraged by all of this and use it in their classrooms on a voluntary basis more often next semester, because we've already started this training. This is a project that truly is a work in progress, like I said. And then through openness and training, teachers will be ready to have students using their Chromebooks and ready to enter that 21st century workforce starting next school year.